Hey guys, guess who's here? It's Lance.
Hello.
So today he's going to learn a
half cab.
That's right. So this is a trick you're going to do going fakie, and then you're going to do a 180. Whoop. Last time Lance and I went over this, he was like, yeah, I got fakie, I got half cab, and he went boom, and he did it the other way, not the other way. You know what I'm saying? I doubt it, because I don't even know what I'm saying.
So I'm going to learn how to do it the right way today.
That's right. So first of all, I'm just going to do the trick a few times to show you what it is.
Okay.
Lance is pretty comfortable riding fakie. As he said, it's one of my most comfortable riding positions, fakie, which is good. First of all, this is what the trick is. So it's basically very similar to a backside 180, which is kind of Lance's 180 variation that he has a problem with. So, you know, it's a fakie, backside 180, basically. That's the way you turn. So the first thing I would do is a fakie ollie.
Okay.
So let's bust out some fakie ollies. Boom! Took it down like a big dog. So now you got that. Now you got to think with this direction. So your head and shoulders are going to turn that way. You got it? And it's all simultaneous. That was good. You almost did it first try. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, double dragons.
Double dragon.
Something about this rotation is just awkward for me.
Yeah, I know.
I want to do like a really nice big one, but I seem to have trouble. If I do a small one, I can kind of almost get it. So I'm trying to just figure out how to get a nice big one.
Well, what I suggest in that case is do a small one and then build it up to a big one. Like a small one would just like... That's good. It's a practice step. Just got to work on popping the tail. Oh! Oh. You're getting the rotation good, but you're just not popping the tail on the ground. Good. That was much better. You popped it. Good, that was good. Oh! That was good. But you just gotta pop it. Yeah, no pop. I'm gonna practice my fakie half cab tricks while you learn this. So, make sure you pop the tail. It might be a good idea to do a fakie ollie and then try it again. Good. There you go. That was it. That was good. That was nicely popped. Now one thing is, like, if you're leaning really far this way, when you pop fakie, you kind of leave your board behind like this. So you gotta like really center yourself out. That's why the fakie ollie practice helps, because it keeps you over the board. So make sure you don't lean too far forward, because the board will stop and you'll go. Ah, that was so close. Good, Lance. That helped?
Yeah.
Good, I'm glad. What? Take it down, Mortal Kombat! Well,
like that.
that was it.
Good.
We out here.
I've got the basics down. I gotta practice it, but.
Lance took it down like a boss. Half cab, we out. Click the subscribe button, click the like button, leave a comment for Lance down there. Not for me, just for Lance.